In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apple Pay on iPad 10th generation. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which generation iPad you have, you will be able to set up and use Apple Pay. So in order to do this, first go over into the settings of your iPad. In the settings, if you scroll down, you will eventually find the Wallet and Apple Pay category. In here, you can make sure that it is enabled alongside the option to add new payment cards. So tap on Add Card and you will be guided through the process if you have never set up Apple Pay on this device. Now, there are two main ways of using Apple Pay. You can do it online, so when you reach checkout, you might see Apple Pay as available as a payment method, and the option that most people look for is making payments in-store contactlessly. So, if you are issuing a payment online, it is incredibly simple. You just proceed to checkout, and once you reach checkout, look for an option to pay using Apple Pay, either as a button here or under the payment methods. Now, what about paying in store? Is there an option for you to place your iPad near the card reader and issue the payment contactlessly? Well, sadly, for this form of payment, only iPhones are supported. Even though you are able to use Apple Pay on an iPad, you cannot use your iPad to issue contactless payments like these. So the answer to the question in the title of this video is that it is possible to use Apple Pay on an iPad, on the 10th generation one even, but you can only do it online when you choose Apple Pay as a payment method. You cannot use it to issue contactless payments in store by placing your iPad near the card reader. This feature is exclusive to iPhones, so keep that in mind. I hope I was able to answer any questions that you've had. If this video answered your questions, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality content. I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.